let's open this up. Ooh, the light's going out. I hope you can even see me. I am not re-recording this stuff, so hopefully you can see me. I am testing out the E.L.F. Eyebrow Stencil Kit. As soon as I can open it. Okay, so in this kit you get 4 stencils. Come like this. So that's obviously for this one. I don't think that's gonna work for me. I don't have, my hair is sparse, so I don't know if that will work for me. Let's see, will this work for me? No, that doesn't match my shape. Does this match my shape? I don't think so. What do you think? This one? I think this one might. Or let's see, let's hold on to this one. Okay, I think I changed my mind. I think this one does. So let's see. That look crazy. But I think, yeah, I think this one does. I don't even know. I think. Let's see. Let's just go ahead and try it. Okay, so it says I'm supposed to just fill this in. I'm using the E.L.F. Insta-Lift Brow Pencil. Let's see. Okay. That's a good start. So let's just... Okay, I think that's a... Let's keep going. Let's just keep going. Oh my god. Okay,
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go?
Okay, I think this can work. Actually, you know what? I think this can work. I think it can. Let's try something a bit different on this side to see if it has potential. So what we're gonna do is kind of just... Okay, so let's see if it'll work. Okay.
If I say the songs for you, when you put down and better, shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J.
Let's try to do fill it in strokes instead of like it's a marker like I was trying to do, because I guess my head said it's a stencil. So we're stenciling.
Don't need no stress, got just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Oh my gosh. Is this to make it stick? Maybe these little plastic things are to make it stick. I don't know. I'm not gonna deal with that. Okay, no, that didn't work. Yeah, no. This side came out much better. Let's go ahead and go back to just filling it in like a marker. It seems to work better.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better.
That looks crazy. It doesn't want to work as well for this side. Hold on, let me regroup. I'll be right back. Okay, so had to just wipe that off. And let's try it again. If it still doesn't look good, we'll try to switch to another stencil to see if that works better and make both our eyebrows look better. Our eyebrows, those spots, are never sisters to begin with anyway, so that's probably not helping the situation.
Girl, when I'm with you, she's luminous so bright like a star in the sky.
Okay, let's see.
She got the looks to good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo.
I'm not feeling this instant brow pencil. It just slides down for no reason. and you have to use it uses up too much too quickly. So I think I will be going back to my ColourPop pencil after this one runs out, which should be soon because it really just eats up whatever you call it. Let's see.
Would it make you feel better if I say the songs for you when you put down and better? Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, hell with everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J.
Let's try to do some of it ourselves. Use that as just like a guide. Hold on, let me get a mirror instead of a... Alright, got a mirror. Let's see. Let's see what happens when we like clean it up a bit with concealer and take a bit of it off where the stencil got messed up. Okay. I'm starting to see what can happen.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life sunny and better. Girl, when I'm with you, she illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just be in your sun's alright, sun's alright.
Okay, you know what?
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
I think with a little more practice, I can do this. So I think, honestly, these stencils work. I just think they take practice, like with anything else. And because I'm a beginner to makeup and trying new things with my look, it's just gonna take a little bit of practice, but I think it can work. I really do.
Would it make you feel better if I say the songs for you when you put down and better?
Alright, let me put the rest of my makeup on and then London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Alright, you guys, the sun has officially set on me and it's just not working. Hopefully you can still see a bit, but this is how my eyebrows turned out. This is my finished, how it looks with my finished, I cannot talk, how it looks after I put on my face. Yeah, so I think they turned out pretty good. I think, like I said, I think I just need to do a bit of practice and it'll be cute. So this is what it looks like. What is that? Oh, that's my hair. This wig is kind of too big for me. Anywho, this is what the brows look like. Thank you so much for watching. I always have a good time filming for you. I always have a good time filming for you lots, and I really appreciate it when you comment, when you like, and you subscribe, and you just keep coming back. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you're new and this is your first time even coming on my channel, yo, what's up? I don't know if you heard the first time, but my name is JordanSky, and I'm so happy you're here. Please consider subscribing to the channel down below and tap that bell so you're updated every time I upload a video. Thanks again for watching. Peace.